I'm going to show you how to install an awning window lock. For this, we're going to need the following tools: a battery drill, a set of safety glasses, a drill set, a tape, screwdrivers, a nail, a pencil, a Phillips bit, a ruler, and our window lock. Firstly, we're going to take our window lock and remove the two plastic cases that hide the screw holes. This will open up the screw holes and allow us to fit to the timber sash. We'll also use a spacer. The spacer sits on the sill, and position your lock on top of the spacer. This also allows an acceptable clearance so the window lock doesn't catch on the sill when opening and closing the window. Our next step is to grab our nail and mark where the screw holes are going to be drilled. This is done like so. Using a nail like this makes it easier, as you can't put your pencil inside the hole to make the mark. Once the holes are marked, you can use a pencil just to make the marks more visible for you to drill. I'm now ready to drill the holes. We'll do this with the window open to avoid the drill marking the timber. For this, I need a drill bit the same size as the shank of the screw. For the setup of your lock, you can put it anywhere you like on the window, but it's advisable to put it to one side and to the corner of the sash. The holes are drilled, and now we'll fit our window lock to the sash. For this, I'm going to start using a hand screwdriver and then finish it off with a battery drill. Also, I'm going to use a spacer on this application so that I can allow my window lock to come further back on the sill to allow more room for our striker plate. The window lock is now in position. The next step we're going to do is install the striker plate and the bolt to the lock. We do this by pushing the bolt into the lock. We push down nice and hard on the bolt, and the point of the bolt will make a point where we drill our hole. We need a drill bit that is slightly bigger than the bolt to allow the correct positioning. Now that the hole is drilled, we'll now position the striker plate nice and straight, nice and true, drill some pilot holes and screw into position. Now screw the catch in position. You can screw these screws in using a manual screwdriver like I am, or you can use a battery drill. It's your preference. Now it's time to test the lock. Also test it with the key to make sure it locks. This will stop the bolt from being removed. Now that our lock's complete and working well, it's time to replace the covers and complete our lock. Job complete. No one's getting in and out of here.